loading up the truck here. Today I gotta drive this monster. Duty calls. We're working on the weekend, getting the job done. Seriously, people, I can't be driving this truck all the time, so we're looking to hire great, strong, reliable movers. So hit me up. I look forward to working with you. This is up at the top level, and this is possibly the teenager's room. And here we can, it's about 104, we can fill it up with a full or a queen size bed, wall art above the desk, bathroom needs a shower curtain, and here is the master king size bed. Okay, bookcase or something interesting here, TV right here. So this can get a console table here, and this is the first level. If it's not going to be a sales office, we can do a queen guest bed with the dresser.
We probably leave it out of the rug.
Sure, then that means we just have to shift everything to kind of center it with the room a little bit. Yeah, we can leave it off the rug a little bit if you want to. You're the boss, I'm just a driver. All I do is drive these days, that's fine.
Doing a good job, Vanessa.
Yeah, spinning, it's always spinning wheels. Bring it down a little bit. Okay, that's good.
I don't know, or this, or this.
The other one.
This one?
Yeah.
Too long.
What to do? I know, call Dr. Paula. Everyone, so we just finished another Summer Hill Homes project. Can't wait to share it with you, so come on in.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just
2 days to stage this home with a lot of stairs, and I think we started on the hottest day of the year, or it felt like it anyway. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss what's next.
Oh, darn. What? That's really jumping. Catch me if you can. Come on, come on, Max.
Maybe we can open the window.
Italian name?
What is it?
Grillo.
Grillo.